Islet Pangasinan.
Where the grass is greener and the relaxation is supreme, there's a jungle-like paradise waiting to be discovered. The Rancho Pobre, a perfect spot to relax in the warm rays of the Pangasinan sun with its cooling, chemical-free aquatic bliss. As a nature lover, yung nature vibe po talaga napaka-relaxing. At saka kapag stress ka talaga, this is the perfect place for you to go. Kasi talagang yung stress mo is marirelieve dito sa place na to. So, why not try this, guys?
Kasi gusto talaga namin yung water dito eh. Malamig, tsaka kasi overflowing siya. Ang ganda ng view. Meron pang mga fish dyan eh. Kaya ang gandang tignan kaya. Ang dami talagang pumupunta dito sa Rancho Pobre.
Maganda. At saka hindi siya masyadong malamig, warm yung water. Ito po kasi yung bukal, hindi siya linalagyan ng chlorine. Eh ito po, natural. Kaya gustong-gusto namin.
Yeah. And my dreams next to you is so the morning. Want it. Rest one time, let's go drive to smile the sea.
Start siya way back 2016-2017. Small pool lang po talaga. For family use lang po talaga yung yung paggamit sa kanya until may mga nagko-question na kung pwedeng rentahan. At ayun na nga po nag-start na rin ng mga building for venue and events. Yung water po kasi namin ay walang chlorine at galing po siya sa bukal. So fresh po yung water namin. Wala po kami entrance fee. Yung for the pool rental lang po talaga kami. At yung mga rooms naman po namin, may deluxe room po kami na worth 2,500. At family room worth 5,000 for 20 hours na po yung usage. So, welcome to Rancho Pobre Resort. We're inviting you to try our pools, events, and venues. I'm sure magugustuhan nyo dito.
Diving into the ultimate leisure experience with their two inviting pools. Ang venue pool or the big pool, ang silong ng mangga pool or the small pool na parehong may lalim na umaabot hanggang 6 feet. So guys, magpapakain tayo ng tilapia kasi papakainin natin sila kasi maya-maya iluluto ko din sila. From birthdays, weddings, o kahit anong gatherings pa man yan. Dito ang Pobreritong Destinasyon.